Creating a consistent routine can significantly boost self-discipline. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you establish a structured lifestyle. 1. Identify your goals. Clarify your priorities. Determine what's most important to you. Set specific objectives. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps. 2. Create a daily schedule. Allocate time. Assign specific time slots for different activities. Prioritize tasks. Ensure that important tasks are scheduled first. Be flexible. Allow for some flexibility to accommodate unexpected events. 3. Start small and gradually increase. Begin with manageable tasks. Don't overwhelm yourself with too much at once. Build momentum. As you succeed, gradually increase the intensity or duration of your routine. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Prioritize sleep by aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down before bed, promoting better sleep. Incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine. Regular exercise can improve your mood and energy levels. A balanced diet will fuel your body with nutritious foods. And don't forget mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing. They can help reduce stress and improve focus. Minimize distractions. Create a conducive environment. Find a quiet, organized workspace. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications or use website blockers if necessary. Accountability and rewards. Track your progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your routine. Celebrate achievements. Reward yourself for sticking to your plan. Be patient and persistent. Expect setbacks. It's normal to face challenges. Stay committed. Don't give up on your goals. Remember, consistency is key. By following these steps and making your routine a part of your daily life, you'll develop stronger self-discipline and achieve your goals.